Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to clean and organize Gmail. Keeping your Gmail inbox clean helps you find important emails faster. A well-organized inbox reduces clutter and improves productivity. Over time, emails can pile up and become difficult to manage. Cleaning your inbox regularly prevents it from getting overwhelming. Gmail provides built-in tools to sort, delete, and organize messages efficiently. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and open the Gmail app. Tap the search bar at the top to find emails you want to clean. For example, type unsubscribe or sender's name. Tap and hold an email to start selecting messages. Select multiple emails you want to delete or manage. Tap the delete icon to remove unwanted emails. Go to the main page, then tap the three lines in the top left. Go to the spam folder from the menu. Tap empty spam now to clear unwanted messages. Return again to your inbox. Tap the three lines in the top left corner. Go to the trash folder. Tap empty trash now to permanently delete emails. Return to your inbox and tap to open an email you want to organize. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Move to or Label and choose a category or label. Swipe emails left or swipe emails to right to achieve messages you want to keep but remove from inbox. Repeat regularly to maintain a clean and organized inbox. Tip: unsubscribe from newsletters you don't read. Prevent feature. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.